I'm Attorney Princess Abante. I believe I will assume starting today as House spokesperson. I will be working closely with all of our media friends here sa House to give the official statements from the House leadership, give updates sa mga exciting times that we are looking forward here sa Congress in the next coming months.
Is this the first time na magkakaroon ng spokesperson?
As far as I know, yes, na merong hiwalay na spokesperson for the House aside from the members of the House of Representatives.
Mga nag-raise ng need for this?
Madami na kasi din tinatalakay ngayon ng mga issues ang Kongreso, the various committees. There's a need to strengthen the communication mula sa House to ensure yung tama at makatotohanang impormasyon ay naibababa natin sa mamamayan. Ayaw talaga natin ng fake news, no? Kaya kailangan mas maging maayos yung mga pagpapaliwanag natin ng mga polisiya na binabalangkas ng Kongreso ngayon.
Nag-tap sa inyo? Sino po nag-tap sa inyo? Or did you
Well, I've been working with the House since my father was elected as congressman. I think I've worked with several of you when he was the minority leader, and even in his capacity now as chairman of the Committee on Human Rights, I have worked with a lot of our media friends, and also during my stint as the official spokesperson of Mayor Hani Lacuna, I've worked with many of our media friends who are also assigned here sa Congress. No? So recently, House leadership has asked me if I would be interested in joining the communications team to help deliver accurate, transparent, and truthful information for the House of Representatives.
Ma'am, is it Speaker Romualdez?
I haven't spoken with the Speaker himself. I have spoken with the House leaderships and the communication.
Ma'am, of course, itong appointment mo sa spokesperson comes at a very high time na, of course, maraming binabato sa House of Representatives. Maraming criticisms regarding, of course, and how are you going to approach this job, especially sa mga critics ng House of Representatives?
What I intend to do is to just deliver truthful statements as much as possible, mas maintindihan hindi lang ng mga kaibigan natin sa media, kundi mga mamamayan din mismo, mahimay natin ang mga impormasyon na mas maiintindihan ng tao kung ano tong mga polisiya na sinusulong ng Kongreso at para saan at bakit nakakabuti to sa mamamayan at sa buong bansa.
coverage ng role nyo, 19th and 20th Congress?
Well, right now, I'm still working on the 19th Congress. As we end the 19th Congress, I'm looking forward to working with all of you as we transition to the 20th Congress.
Ma'am, are you going to be a more patulera kind of spokesperson? I mean, of course, mga binabanatan sa House of Representatives, minsan below the belt, minsan fake news. Kayo po ba maging parang patulera na spokesperson?
I don't understand yung patolera na spokesperson. I understand na we need to have an effective communicator, and that's what I intend to do with the help of all of you, of course.
So doon sa filing ng impeachment complaint against VP Sara Duterte, how would this affect po yung ating, your reaction, and how would this affect po ang ating preparations for the trial?
Siguro kung meron tayo natutunan ngayong eleksyon ay hindi naging tugma ang mga naging datos ng mga survey prior to elections dun sa actual na resulta. May mga nakita tayong consistent na nasa winning circle sa surveys all throughout the campaign period na hindi natin nakita nagtagumpay. Merong mga surprise victors na hindi rin na lumalabas sa mga surveys. So I would be very careful in reading too much right now on the surveys. We need to understand not just ano yung pakiramdam ng mamamayan ayon sa survey, pero mas kailangan bumaba tayo sa tao para mas maintindihan ano yung talagang totoong pangangailangan nila, hindi lang ayon sa mga samples ng data na nakukuha natin.